Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the device and opening settings or pulling down the quick settings panel. Tap the settings icon or swipe twice in Android to reveal controls. If you'll keep Bluetooth or Wi-Fi active, note that some systems allow exceptions, otherwise prepare to cut all radios. Once ready, find the airplane mode toggle. It's usually in network or connections. Make sure you understand that enabling it disables cellular, Wi-Fi, and often Bluetooth, unless you explicitly re-enable those radios. Flip the airplane mode toggle and watch status icons change. Cellular bars disappear and a plane icon appears. You do this to cut radio transmissions for compliance or battery saving. Once done, immediately re-enable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth from the same panel if you need them. This only restores those radios while keeping cellular off on many devices. If you prefer, use Voice Assistant to toggle it. Make sure background apps sync settings after radios restart to avoid missed updates. Check that the plane icon shows and signal bars are gone to confirm airplane mode is active. Test Wi-Fi or Bluetooth reactivation if you enabled them. Open a browser or pair a headset. If radios fail to respond, toggle airplane mode off then on again or reboot the device. As a last resort, reset network settings to clear corrupted configs, but be aware this removes saved networks and Bluetooth pairings. If problems persist, contact device support for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.